Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to discuss about all memory unit. So if you have any confusion or you don't know memory unit, after watch this video you can easily understand memory unit. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. The first one is memory unit and the second one is description. In memory unit, the first one is bit. So it's actually the lowest one and the binary. It's represent 1 and 0. The next one is nibble and 1 nibble is equal to 4 bit. After that, kilobyte. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Then megabyte. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. Then gigabyte. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabyte. Then terabyte. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte, or in short we call it GB. Then petabyte. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. Hexabyte. 1 EB is equal to 1024 PB. Zettabyte. 1 ZB is equal to 1024 EB. Yottabyte. 1 YB equal to 1024 ZB. Brontobyte. 1 brontobyte is equal to 1024 YB. The last one is geobyte. It's hold the most memory unit, and 1 GEObyte is equal to 1024 brontobytes. These all are the memory unit. So guys, I hope you understand this concept, understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.